In this video, we're going to go over adding a Jinja filter to our project. If you'll look at our site and we'll go into our dashboard, we'll see we have our activities that are happening, but it looks kind of funny. And we'd like just a little bit more information to make it look a little bit better and to provide more feedback in what's going on. In order to do this, we want to put the date that our ride happened underneath. This will help give some balance to the look. And we don't want to just add the date, but we want to actually humanize it so that we can actually know how long it happened. In order to do that, we need to create a Jinja filter, and we're going to create one that's called ago, A-G-O, and we just put that at the end of a date time, and it will give us the humanized representation of that. So the first thing we need to do is, using the core app, and create a filters.py file, and then in there we're going to import arrow, and then just define a simple function called ago and pass it in a value. The value is the date time object that's being passed in our template. And then from there we're just going to return an arrow.get. Then we're going to use the humanize method in order to get the text representation of what we want. This will convert whatever date it is to like a day ago, 2 days ago, 1 month ago, etc. So with that, our actual function is done. Now we need to register it with our system. So if we'll jump out and go into our settings file, we'll go on down into where we're declaring our templates. And in the options part of the dictionary, if we'll go ahead and add a filters key, and in there we'll add a dictionary with a key of ago, and the value is the location in our app of our filter, in this case the core filters ago function. Then that registers it properly with Jinja for us to use. In order to actually use this in our HTML, we need to open up our dashboard. And we'll go down and we'll create a div. We're going to use the word about because we want it to be about X amount of time ago. Then we'll do activity.startDate. This gets the date time from our database. And then we use the pipe ago to actually use our filter since it's a Django filter. And that's how we use filters. And then from there we're going to do from and then activity source so that we see the source of our activity. And that's it. That's all there is to creating a basic filter for Jinja and associating it with the new Django 1.8. If we'll go ahead and jump into our browser, we can actually see this in action when we refresh the page. And there we go. Our last ride was about a month ago and it comes from Strava. So with that, join us next time as we put the final touches on our basic building a product series.